Hi everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about the Genpact hiring because I think currently the knowledge for this hiring is very limited. Uh, no one is sharing much details about it, and I want to talk about this because I think it's a very important, and currently many hirings are ongoing from Genpact. Okay, many hirings are ongoing from Genpact. That's why I want to discuss each and everything about Genpact because there are a lot of things which need to be discussed for this hiring because there are a lot of things which are hidden and which are confusing. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you get a better idea about the Genpact hiring. Also make sure to like the video so we can go ahead. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will understand the situation. Suppose I am just showing you one example hiring. Okay, one example hiring. Just listen what I am saying. Okay, I am just showing you one example hiring. So this is the example hiring for business analyst profile SQL developer. Okay, so if you can see here, they have mentioned we are inviting the applications for the role of BA, means business analyst, and SQL developer, and this is the job description in which they have mentioned BTech, MBA, MSc or MCA, design, develop QLIC view dashboards, knowledge on designing data model like Star, Snowflake, and Schema, KPI designing as per the business requirement. And this is one example hiring. Just try. Just try to understand. Okay, you will get these kind of many hirings on Zenpact Career Portal. Zenpact Career Portal. Okay, now try to understand. Okay, this is just one sample hiring which I just showed you. Okay, and you will get a lot of hirings like this on Zenpact Career Portal. Now try to understand. The team is contacting the candidates like this. So if you can see here, this is the mail for today. Zenpact assessment invitation, and here's some details are mentioned. Okay, sorry, this is old email, and this is the invitation for today. Okay, so here the details are mentioned. Thank you for applying and interest in Zenpact. Here the assessment details are given with pass key and platform in which he need to complete the assessment. Okay, and this is the second mail which candidates received today. Hiring team from Zenpact India invites you to take the voice assessment test. It is a very important test, voice assessment test. Okay, and generally Zenpact India send this test when they conduct much mass hiring. If they are doing mass hiring, they are contacting many candidates, then they do this kind of voice assessment first. Okay, just try to understand what I am trying to do. So some candidates are getting this kind of assessment, some candidates are getting voice assessment. Why there is a differentiation of process? Why the process is different for different candidates? Let's understand this point and then I will talk about the hirings. Okay, so the types of email which students are getting: some students are getting walk-in interview, directly visit to the office and give the interview. Okay, some candidates are getting the assessment mail, direct login into the assessment portal. There will be a pass key, just log in the portal and give your assessment. Some students are getting the voice assessment test. So for multiple profiles, why different candidates are getting very different kind of mails, and even all the candidates are fresher, all the candidates are fresher. Let me explain you what actually you need to do is. Okay, apply for any drive. This is very important. Okay, so in description, what you need to do is, in description you will be getting a website article from our website. Okay, so what you need to do is, I will be putting many hirings in that article. I will be putting many hirings in that article. Apply for 2 to 3 days from Zenpact. Okay, apply 2 to 3 drives from Zenpact, which I am putting in the description. After that, okay, what is actually happening? Your role doesn't matter. Your role does not matter. Okay, what they are doing is, if you suppose you are applying for 2 to 3 job roles. Okay, if you are applying for 2 to 3 job roles, what they are doing is, they are shortlisting the candidates. They are shortlisting the candidates based on the resume, based on the resume, and they are sending the different mails. Okay, so suppose if someone is from btech background, he has some good technical things, and they have the requirement for suppose business analyst SQL, then they are sending the assessment for SQL profile. Suppose a candidate is not much strong in technical, they are sending the voice assessment for process associate role. Okay, so basically what you need to do is, you will be getting multiple roles in the description. I would suggest to apply in many roles. Okay, and you can also look for career portal. Through the career portal you can directly apply for many postings in Zenpact, because via database or via resume shortlisting they are targeting the candidates, and they are sending the assessment mails, they are sending the voice assessment mails. Totally depends upon what Zenpact team wants. Okay, so this is one important part. Just apply as much as you can in the different roles, and they are sending the mails. Okay, and many candidates are getting the mail. It is an important hiring. Zenpact is a good company, MNC company, so don't miss to apply in this. So what will be the process is apply for 2 to 3 drives, resume shortlisting based on the rules. So there are there are a lot of different rules. They are shortlisting the resumes based on the rules. Give the test, they are sending the test, uske baad give the interview. This will be your whole process. The process is very easy, and getting selected in Zenpact is very easy, because there are a lot of openings ongoing, and their process is very simple. Okay, example roles are in the description, so you can apply for the example role, as well as you can just go through the career portal of Zenpact. Okay, career portal of Zenpact, there are a lot of role listed. Okay, just take a look which profiles are looking good for you. The roles are not mattering. Okay, forever. Suppose if you are applying for management trainee, you are applying for process developer, you are applying for business analyst, the role is not mattering. They are, if you are applying for many roles, like 3 to 4 roles, they are just sending the emails for different roles. Okay, according to their knowledge, according to their resume shortlisting. Okay, so this will be the whole process. The link of that Zenpact hiring you will be getting in the description. Also, many candidates are getting the mails like this. I already made a video of Zenpact voice assessment. You can just check, you can just type Zenpact voice test KN Academy on YouTube, and you will get a voice assessment video. I already made that. Thank you so much for watching this video.